guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to show you how to get your files that you design in Canva over to VersaWorks so that you can print them in high quality, high resolution on your Roland BN2-20a or Roland BN2-30. So I am just going to show you this as an example. I made several banners that I printed, I should say, for my daughter's graduation party. Those of you who've been following me for a while, I too have a hard time believing that she is graduating high school. But here we are, and how are we going to do this? So the first thing that I did is actually set up the page size. So I know that I have 20-inch banner material, and I know that my printer can obviously print about 18 1/4. So the first thing that you want to do, if you haven't done it already, is to do a custom resize on the page. So I always put it in inches, and as you can see, I have it at 18.8 by 60. So yes, my banners are going to be 5 feet long, okay? So what you're gonna do then is you are then just going to design however you want. Obviously this is just a collage of photos, and this is just a single one. This is just different fonts, whatever. It doesn't matter. I have other ones that are horizontal. So these are obviously vertical. I have many different things. Okay, so what you wanna do is then you wanna go up here to share, and you're gonna click download. So this is really important of how you download. So you're going to download as a PDF. Now, I don't cut my banners, especially if they're 20 inches wide. There's absolutely no reason to have the Roland cut anything because it's going to print the entire width wide, right? So in this case, I'm not even adding a cut line, so I'm saving it directly as a PDF. Now, if you needed to add cut lines, you could export as a PNG that then you could pull into Affinity to add, or whatever program you use to add the cut lines. But I'm not doing that. I have other videos on adding cut lines, many other videos. Okay, so we are going to pick PDF. Now, which one do we pick? It's literally telling us pick this best one for printer. The next thing that you want to do is change the color profile. The Roland has CMYK ink, and so you want to use CMYK color profile. And then I'm only going to, as this example, going to export the current page, okay? And then I'm going to click done. Now, this is going to download. It does take a minute because these are large files. But in the meantime, we will move over to VersaWorks. Now, this, I'm going to reopen this because there's something very, very important that I want you guys to see. So once my file downloads, I'm going to bring it into VersaWorks by clicking the plus button, okay? And mine is just going to be right here. Okay, so what you're gonna see is a couple of things. One is that it's probably going to want to tile. Two, and was what you can see immediately, is that this is not the color that we exported from Canva. Like, what is going on? I don't have this mauve pink. I had a different color pink. Do you remember? I'll just show you. So these are obviously not the same. So this is where it's very, very important to make this one selection specifically for color. So first, let's go over here, right click on the file print job name itself and click edit design and then settings. This is going to open this up and you're going to freak out. It looks oversaturated. The colors are all wrong. What is happening? Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to go to color management and you are going to tell it to preserve the primary colors. That means the colors that you imported, those are the colors that you're going to use. The preview is not going to look right, but I can assure you that it will print correctly if you do it this way. And if you want to test it, you can take a couple of steps to test it, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. So let's say that I am going to get ready to print. Now, I have, if your file starts to do like this, where it has a little teeny bit down here, I'm not connected to my Roland, which is why I can't click get media width right now. But if this happens, this is trying to tile. So all I do is scale. Now, I'm going to tell you that I know from all these files that I've done that I just have to put it at 99% scale and it's fine. All right, so just keep that in mind. And that's only because of how my my material is set up in my machine. So I probably just don't have the clip to the far enough to the left. All right. So anyway, so that's what you're going to do. Now, if you want to do a test, so that you have a smaller version. What I do is I go over here and I do 10% like this, and I print a very small one first to confirm that the colors are okay. You don't need to print a 5-foot banner to test the color. You should not. Okay, so you will probably see at the beginning of my some of my videos, I have a little test here, and this is why. All right, so once that prints, I put it back to 100% and I go ahead and print. And that is how you are going to take your files from Canva and pull them into VersaWorks to print and get them at the right colors and the right resolution, because this is going to print beautifully. So now all I have to do, and I'm sorry this is cut off down the bottom here, is click OK. And then what it's going to do is bring me back to the job settings. You can see it. See how it says no special items? That means it's not going to cut. There's no A there or anything. This gives you all of the information about ink consumption. I will tell you, I printed 5 of these banners plus a couple of other things, and my ink status said that I needed to replace these 2, and it still says that, as you can see. I have a separate video on why you absolutely should not replace your ink until it literally runs out, until it stops printing. Okay, don't worry about it, because you can pop your ink back in there and continue printing. Okay, all right, so once you do that, once you're all set here, you would click rip and then print, and your printing will begin. All right, guys, if you are looking for more tips, tricks, tutorials, free calculators to use for your Roland business, if you're printing stickers or otherwise, I have all of that over on Silhouette U, including same-day personalized support. Don't be confused by the name. I have tons of Roland content over there as well. Lots of Roland users that are taking advantage of Silhouette U. I will link to that in the description below as well.